Welcome to Fohhn. We are the experts in beam steering. We developed this technology over 15 years ago and have been equipping numerous projects worldwide with it ever since.
Beam steering makes it possible to guide the sound dispersion of loudspeaker systems without having to tilt them mechanically. The systems have several speakers arranged one below the other. As with any such line source, this results in a directional dispersion pattern. What is special about beam steering systems, however, is that each of these built-in speakers has its own amplifier and DSP channel. By changing the levels and delays of the individual channels, the parameters of the beam can be changed. The sound beam can be tilted or directed upwards by up to 40 degrees, and the beam opening angle can be selected between 0 and 90 degrees. The Fohhn BeamSteering algorithm enables particularly fine adjustment of these parameters in 0.1 degree increments. This allows precise direction of the sound to the relevant listening areas. An additional toggle in our software suppresses unwanted side lobes and the resulting reflections effectively. Another feature: the acoustic center can be moved along the entire length of the line. This can be a decisive advantage if, for example, there's a lectern with a microphone in front of the system. Moving upwards prevents feedback. Balcony or gallery also need sound reinforcement? Fohhn BeamSteering enables you to add a second beam that can be controlled separately. This does not change the dispersion of the first beam. All functions can be easily controlled in real time using Fohhn Audio Soft. The flexibility that comes with our beam steering is unique. If the dispersion needs to be adjusted after the installation, this can be done effortlessly. The speaker systems simply stay in place. The acoustic result of the precisely adjusted beams is a clear, direct sound experience without interfering reflections from the ceiling, balustrades and walls. As no mechanical tilting or curving of the systems is needed, there are also numerous advantages for visual integration. Unlike conventional line arrays, beam steering systems can be installed in the smallest of spaces, for example next to a stage portal, along screens or in a niche hidden behind fabric. Fohhn is the market leader in beam steering technology and has the largest product portfolio, from slim line source speakers to the largest modular beam steering system in the world. By the way, none of them is limited to speech transmission. All Fohhn sound systems are designed for high-quality broadband music reproduction. The latest product series, Focus Slim, is ultra-compact but still powerful with 2.5-inch speakers. Equipped with all the features of the technology, they make it attractive for smaller and more price-sensitive projects, for example, small to medium-sized churches, lecture halls or conference rooms. Linear Focus has defined the industry standard in beam steering for over 15 years. They can be found in projects all over the world, from countless universities, cathedrals, train stations, airports, to the places where the big political decisions are made, for example in the Parliament of Denmark, India or the European Parliament in Strasbourg. The models of different length are equipped with up to 32 4-inch chassis. The longer the line, the more low frequencies are directed. Our Focus Modular is even a performance class higher. As the name suggests, this scalable system consists of modules that can be flexibly combined. It is used, for example, for larger events, in plenary halls, such as the German Bundesrat, but above all in musical applications, such as renowned theaters and concert halls. One example in the installation is in Europe's largest opera house, the Opéra Bastille in Paris. For the biggest applications, we have developed the largest beam steering system in the world, Focus Venue. Designed for maximum sound experience and extremely powerful, it is a goosebump factor at concerts and major events, both indoors and outdoors. It is used for TV shows and tours by international artists. Common installations include sports stadiums, large clubs, concert halls and cruise ships. By the way, our beam steering algorithm can also be used to control the subwoofers when they are positioned or flown as an array. At Fohhn, we want every project using our products to be a success. That's why we support consultants, integrators and end customers from planning to commissioning with the Fohhn workflow. We have developed our own software for simulation, control and tuning. Fohhn Designer is used for digital project planning. In this 3D acoustic simulation tool, loudspeaker systems are placed virtually in the room model. These contain all the data about their sound and dispersion characteristics. This allows different concepts to be compared, and the expected acoustic result can even be listened to at any point in the room. The beam parameters can also be planned here and later easily transferred to the configuration software Fohhn Audio Soft in the real project. Achieving the best sound results, even in difficult acoustics, has always been one of Fohn's core competencies. No wonder, the company founders played in a band that gave many concerts in churches and other rooms with difficult acoustics. Since there was no satisfying loudspeaker system available, they founded Fohhn in 1993.
We continue to manufacture all products here in our building, sustainably and responsibly, for your audio projects all over the world.